It's July 12th, 2024, my birthday. The big 6-0 today. Anyway, I got a call from this guy. He's got no AC. I was over there a couple of years ago and said I think I changed the capacitor on his unit a couple of years ago. I think I remember the guy. So we'll go over there and see if we can find out what's going on with it. Been coming across a lot of dead units lately. You know, they're not worth, some of these old systems I work on, they get to the point where they're not worth fixing. And they need to be replaced. And I only can do so much, I'm only one guy. You know, and these change outs really kind of take a toll on me. I could do them. I got a 18-year-old mind, but a 60-year-old body, and it just, I don't rebound like I used to. You know, I don't have to do the jobs, but sometimes if it's a customer, I want to try to, you know, do what I can, and it's not easy. I got quite a few replacements lined up. I do them when I can. I mean, what can I tell you? Maybe try to do like one a week or something, you know? And the rest of the time, then I'm always trying to play catch up on the service. It's all good. Gotta go by Lowe's and stock up on them square D breakers for them outside disconnects. Seems like every time I look at one of them things, the thing won't turn back on. Everything's so much money now. Really kind of scary, the price of stuff. The flipping breakers are like 42 bucks a piece. And two pole breakers. Not cheap. I go buy air filters, they're like $15, $16 a piece for the air filters. Like, holy shit, mama. Things have gone through the flip of the roof. And the pan, the flipping switch was... There's water in this pan. So either that trap is backing up, which goes outside somewhere. Oh, it's icing up. It's low on Freon. We gotta do something about this. My little thing there, I'll put that now. It's gonna go out the window. I should pull it. There it goes, it's pulling. A little secret, huh?
That's good to know. Not that I'm ever going to do it myself, but...
Yeah, she's draining. She's draining. She's draining out there. Probably right on the condenser down there too, huh? Is that right where it is?
Yeah, that's pretty much it, yeah. You can hear it, too.
Go suck the chrome off the trailer hitch. Huh? Yeah.
Probably,
that thing will suck the chrome off the trailer hitch. I had a girlfriend like that one time.
Yeah.
I didn't want to get rid of her.
I know, but I had to. And most still like chrome, huh?
Yeah. Yeah, she sucked the chrome off a trailer hitch.
There you go.
Yeah, so I got a little thing under the end there, and so it's sucking down really low. All right, we're gonna have to blow that line out. You said it's going into the gutter?
Yes. Yeah, and unfortunately, it's the gutter up on the feet. There's only one gutter on a second story, in the house, and it's here.
Yeah, that's a shitty spot to have it, you know?
That is a shitty spot. For the life of me, I didn't know why the hell they didn't run it out, you know, where you're draining out that way. You know?
Today's my birthday, I'm 60.
You're 60, God bless you, look great.
Yeah, she's going right down there. That did a good job.
Yeah, good.
Got it all out. It's empty. Well, pretty much empty. I mean, you're not going to get it perfect, but it'll be good enough for this neighborhood, I think. I'd like to tip that pan some more if I could. Maybe put a little... At least this isn't, Alright, pot over there. And I blew it out both ways with my blowout gun. It didn't seem to be blocked. I bet you it's low on charge. I got this thing pretty flipping low now. We should be able to go out and check it. I got the head of the fan, so I'll check it outside. Well, yeah, that keep you up at night, no?
Well, we have a noise maker, a noise machine. Yeah, it's literally right there.
It's a York. Well, you might be a little low on gas. She's not too cold and sweaty, Mama. Yeah, she's probably a little low. It's probably our problem, maybe. See that? 40 on the superheat? That's what's happening, is icing up. See it? I gotta give it a douche. 22. I'm gonna get some refrigerant. She's a little low. Thought it was a little low. I could tell by the air coming out the top. It's a little wimpy. See that 37? It's too high. It's gonna bring that superheat down. She's got a piston in it. I'm gonna give it a douche. She's 58. That's too low. Subcooling's a little high because this thing's just old and crusty, but we'll give it a little. We'll give it a little dinosaur juice here. A little 22, and bring that subcooling down, superheat down. And give it a little bit of. Give it a little. How you doing? Subcooling's gonna go up a little bit. Probably needs a good hosing out here too. I'll give it a little. How you doing here, Mama? Bring that superheat down somewhat. $20, $25, something like that is what we want our superheat at. Give it a little douche. A little douche will do ya. You might have had a blockage in that condensate line going out. It's going out to the gutter. This is a pretty big colonial too, so I don't know why they didn't run the line down where I could vacuum it from outside. That's what they should have did. Do re mi fa sol. He's a Laker. Outside coil with a hose, to be honest with you. white from being down here in the salt water. It's all crystallized. You were coming down here 25 or so, that'd be good. You can see the coil is getting all like white from the salt air. It's down by the water, the salt water. Actually, we're better here. We're better here at 67, and that's pretty close to 25. That's what we're shooting for. She probably just iced up. He's been gone for a week or so. He come back and that thing wasn't working. I'm surprised old Fluffy didn't get to him. Pretty high in the subcooling there, see it? We're gonna take another look upstairs and see if it's dripping, but hopefully it's draining. I was here a couple of years ago. I think I blew that out. So we're gonna stay right there where we're at there. See, 68 on the suction, 25 on the superheat. That's what we were shooting for. This is a little high because the coil's pretty much shit. It's just crusty as hell. It's almost like itemized. See how it's just kind of like all pitted? Problem is you hit this shit with the hose, a lot of times it'll blow apart because it's just a little flaky. That's full of salt air, see it? Ones. Don't buy them aluminum hoses. This thing's a fucking shit show, but it's not dripping. It was low on charge. I want to hit that with the hose, though, if I can.
Yeah, but
This fucking...
you may have to use your hose to...
Fucking pressure ain't worth a shit. Yeah. Try to clean it the best I can, I guess. Needs a good flipping douche all the way around. Pressure ain't worth a shit. Pressure ain't worth a shit here, is it? You know why? You're down by the water.
Oh, yeah.
You don't have a lot of pressure. It gets all moldy.
Oh, no, it's not moldy. It's like, every 3 years.
Every 3 years?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it's just the salt air, huh?
Heats it up. Yeah, salt air.
This fucking shiz. Yeah, you can't hit this with a power washer, but, you know, it needs something that's got a little bit more pressure. He's pretty dirty. I mean, it don't hurt to hit it with the hose every so often, you know? It's like you don't take a shower for a couple of weeks, ain't nobody gonna want to be around you. Oh, he's on the phone. You fucking crazy nut. Fucking guy. Well, I'm giving it a douche.
Okay.
I said it's just like you don't take a shower for a couple of weeks. Ain't no one gonna want to be around you. At least it's better than it was. Give it a good douche. Little douche will do ya. It's never been cleaned. This sucker's never been cleaned. Give it a little douche. Yeah, a little. Better than nothing. Better than nothing. Birthday. That's how I did in the pan. I put that little thing under there. See it? Just leaves it up enough where it doesn't. It's a flat surface. That's what I do. And I put the other holes right on top of this. She's ready to rock, Mama. Pull a little vacuum on it and suck it right out.